When your clothes start coming apart or the stitches open up, there's a simple hand sewing method that works on almost anything. Start by bringing the needle from the inside to the outside. Then make small stitches, moving left to right and right to left while gently pulling the thread to close the opening. Keep every stitch small and tight. If the stitches are too big, the gap will only stretch wider. This method works on a lot of items at home. Bed sheets, pillow covers, the crotch of your pants, loose seams on a bag, or even a ripped stuffed toy. You can also use this technique to tighten areas that feel too loose, like wide sleeves, a big neckline, or a waistband that's stretched out. As you reach the end of the repair, make the last stitch go through the center point and always use strong thread. If the thread is weak, it will snap the moment you pull it and the whole repair comes undone. Once you finish, the seam blends in, stays firm, and looks clean again. With this simple hand sewing trick, you can fix small issues at home without going to a tailor. It's quick, it saves money, and the results look great. If this video is helpful, feel free to save it and don't forget to like and subscribe.